Here's a quick video of the Torus 2x72 stainless steel grinder. This is what you will receive if you buy I think the base on this one is $875, and then you can add attachments as you like from there. It comes standard now with the half-inch thick deep slack platen attachment. It also comes with a 4-inch aluminum drive wheel with a 5/8 bore. Three-inch tracking wheel. It's just been a while since I'd done anything on this one, so I figured I'd post a short video as a walk around, and maybe something I'll post on the listing itself, just so you know what you're getting. So yeah, thanks everybody once again who has purchased a grinder from me in the past, and thanks in advance for any of you guys considering me as your belt grinder manufacturer going forward. This has the 3/4 inch pivot, 3/4 inch thrust washer and bearing assembly on either side there, 3/8 thick stainless steel ratchet block and ratchet pawl, 3/8 stainless base, 3/8 stainless motor plate, 1.5 inch square aluminum tooling bar as always. Yeah, thing's a beast. I think you'll be happy with it. And with any of them that I send out, they track nice and they're a high quality machine. If you check out, I've got quite a few reviews. Not as many on Google reviews, because I feel like people just don't really seem to think about that as much. But I've sold quite a few of these over on Etsy as well in the past. I prefer to sell them through my website because I can sell them for less and actually take home more on my website because of the fees and everything associated with selling on those different platforms, eBay, etc. So check me out, toruscnc.com. My name's Rich. Reach out, email, call me, whatever. Also, I've been trying to be more active on Reddit. I've been hosting, or I just got done hosting a giveaway on there, and I definitely plan on doing more of those. So I feel like the Reddit forum is a good place, a lot of like-minded makers, and I definitely appreciate all the feedback and support that I've gotten through there, through Instagram, Facebook, whatever. You guys are awesome. Keep up the good work, and I'll try and do the same. Until next time.